Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Ta-da! I finished the sweater for May 2023. It is the Caron cotton, something I can't remember. It has 62% of cotton. I did wash it. I did put it in the washer, and nothing happened. So no shrinks, nothing. It didn't shrink. And I used total of 4. I started, so 3 for the body, and 4th for the, well, the 4th I didn't use up much, so I would say 3.5, but still you need 4 balls to knit a plus size. And this would fit up to 4 extra large. The collar is closed. I made it tight. So yeah, I just love the end result, and I can't wait to start with the other color that I started, but I only have 3. I might make that smaller because these sleeves are pretty long and they're wide. So I just love how it turned out. Just wanted to share how it looks, and I hope you like it. Yeah. So I have all the tutorials. I have the collar. It's actually a V-neck, as you can see, because of the increases here. I have the tutorials. This is top down, how to do the raglan increase. And I have other methods as well. So check them out. So I hope you like this video. It's a ta-da, finished item. This can be unisex color. As you can see, the colors are not feminine. Well, it depends on the preference, right? That's another thing. So the colors can be for unisex, for men, for women. Yeah, so I'm gonna post this on my Etsy shop. If it sells, it sells. So I can buy more yarn to make different kinds of sweaters. Yeah, you guys take care, and I will see you on my next video.